Okay, I got question from many of you asking me how to make first $50. And today I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to make your first $50 online. I almost forgot. I will also show you how you can get targeted free traffic to promote your products. So first thing, what is the most important thing when it comes to selling? Well, emotions and solutions of the problems are selling. So if you can find something that will solve problems, emotional problems of people, then you will make sales 100%. So, but how do you actually find those stuff? How do you find topics that also hits emotions but also solves problems? Well, what you can do is you can simply come here on Reddit, and then here you can start searching. For example, let's just say, for example, jobs. Okay, many people need jobs. So here, click on communities. And here you can see there is a lots of communities related to jobs. Let's say, for example, this first one with 1.1 million members. Now, next thing I need to do, I need to go on Reddit Answers AI. Now, this is Reddit's AI, and it is far from perfect. It is actually not that good, but it is good enough for what we need. So here I will ask this question. Please analyze this subreddit. Here you can see I copied the link of this subreddit and paste it here. And tell me what are the most common questions people ask in this subreddit, okay? And then simply click here. And now Reddit Answers AI will analyze this subreddit here to find what are the most often questions that people ask in this subreddit, okay? And when I go back here, here you can see resume and application strategies. Here you can see interview preparation and performance, salary and compensation, okay? Workplace dynamics and career progress. And here you can see what are the most often questions that people ask in these categories in this subreddit here. So I need to choose one of these. Now going in through these questions here in more details, more depth, I found out that people most often have problem with rejection and how to deal with those rejections and how to deal with that they can actually not find their jobs that easily. So that is the topic that I wish to work on. I wish to write an ebook showing people how to deal with that stress, how to deal with those problems, emotional problems, how to overcome that, okay? I'm also fixing their problems, and also I'm hitting in their emotions. So what I need to do, I need to come here on Claude AI, and I need to give it this prompt. Here you can see, write me an ebook which you will give practical and detailed, very useful advice on how to stay motivated and overcome repeated job rejections. That is the problem that many people have. Now all I have to do is just click here and Claude AI will write that ebook for me, okay? Okay, Claude AI finished writing this ebook, and this is my ebook, Bouncing Back, Practical Guide to Staying Motivated Through Job Rejection. Many people have this problem because it is really hard to land a job on your first interview. You will probably need to go through 10, 20, sometimes even more interviews to land a job. And here you can see this is the guide, okay? This is the ebook that I will offer to these people. So what I need to do next, I actually need to make graphics for my ebook. So I will use Claude AI to make that graphic. So I will give it a detailed prompt because I need graphics for this ebook here. And here you can see this is the prompt. And here I actually need to add at, okay, because I'm calling Canva, okay? I'm calling Claude AI to use Canva to make these graphics, okay? And all I have to do now is just click here and Claude AI will make these graphics for me totally free by using Canva, okay? In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can connect Canva with Claude AI. Okay, Claude finished my graphics, and here you can see how my graphics look, okay? This is how my graphics look. So let me close here, and here you can see they created 4 ebook covers that I can use. So let me just close this, and let's say, for example, I wish to use this one here. All I have to do now is just right click here and then click here on Save Image As, and I will save this image on my desktop. So now I need to go and make an ebook. Now for that I will use Canva. and then here I will simply search ebook template. Okay, here you can see ebook template, and here I can find lots of ebook templates, and you can even filter these templates, okay, by category, as you can see here, ebook cover, document, and so on. By the style, here you can see styles, and also by the language. Here you can see by the language, I wish English language only. And here you can see all the available. So let's say, for example, I wish this template here. For example, I will click on this template, and then I will click here, customize this template. Okay. So now I need to upload my cover image instead of this image here. So I will simply delete this. Okay. And also I will delete all of this. Okay. And now I will go here on uploads, and then click here upload files, and I will upload from the desktop. This is my ebook cover. Give it a second to upload, and here you can see how my ebook cover looks. So let me just drag. Okay, this is how my ebook cover looks. So now what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on Claude AI, and here I need to say to give me table of content for this ebook, and press enter, and now Claude AI will make a table of content for this ebook that I can simply copy. I will just copy this. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. I will simply copy this content table, and I will go back here, and then I will simply click on add a new page, and then here I will click on T for text, and let's just say I will choose one of these text styles. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this text style. So give it a second. I will delete this, okay? And then here I will paste my table of content. And actually I will make this to be smaller, okay? Because this is too big, okay? Just highlight everything. And I will make this, let's say, for example, to be 10. Let me just, okay, that is too much. And 13, okay, and I will move this. Let me just move this like this, and this is how my table of content look. It is actually too big. I will make it 12, okay, and move it a bit more up, okay. This is how my table of content looks now. You can even add this bit more to look better than I actually did. You can also add a background image if you want. But now what you need to do, you need to click here on add another page, go back here on Claude AI, and now you just need to start copying and pasting this content here. This content here that Claude AI created for you. Just go back here, and I will use same text style. Okay, I will delete this, and I will paste that here. Okay, it is too big, so I will make this to be smaller. Something like this, okay, and actually to be a bit larger, something like this. This is how it looks now, okay. And like I said, you can simply click here, and you can go here on for example, uploads, and you can add some images here if you want. For example, let's just say I wish to add this image here, and I will simply enlarge this image, okay, like this, and right click here, and then click here on layer, and then go here on send back, okay. And now this image is backward, so behind this text here. You can also double click here, you can highlight this, and you can simply click here, and you can change the color of your text. For example, let's just say, let's say red, okay. And I will simply click here. Here you can see now this text is red. So again, you need to click here on add new page, go back here, and you need to add chapter 1, okay? And then chapter 2, chapter 4, and so on and so on. When you finish, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then you need to click here on download, and then here you will choose PDF standard, and then click here on download, and download this ebook to your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to go here on Gumroad, and you need to place your ebook for sale here on Gumroad. Now, I already showed you many times how to put for sale your ebooks here on Gumroad, so I want to show you that again, okay? So next thing you need to do, you need to start driving traffic to your ebook that you are selling here on Gumroad. Now, one of the best and easiest ways that actually still works, that I use for a long time, more than 15 years, is by using forums. Now, to find forums in your niche, you can simply go back here on Claude AI and you can ask it to find you related forums, okay? And I already did this, and here you can see find top job related forums. And here you can see Claude AI found related forums. Also, you can go on this website here called findforums.net, and here you can search forums by category, explore forums. You can search forums by niche, and you can find related forums. In this case, you need to find forums related to jobs, okay? And let me show you how this works. So what you need to do, you simply need to go on that forum, then go here. I use, as you can see, Warrior Forum. Warrior Forum is the biggest affiliate marketing, make money online forum, okay, with more than 2 million members. So what you need to do, you need to go here on your profile, go on settings, then go here on edit signature, and then here you can add your link. Simply add text, something like this, highlight this, click on this little chain, and then here you can add a link to your Gumroad store where you are selling that ebook. And all you have to do after that, click here on OK, and then click here on Save Signature, and that's it. You will save your signature. Now, after that, all you have to do literally is just contribute, just provide value. That's it. Just go back here on that forum where you added your signature, and let's say, for example, affiliate programs. Just click here, and here you can see there is a lots of topics where you can leave a useful comment, where you can help people, give them advices, give them tips, solve their problems or whatever. Just try to be as useful as possible. When I go back here on my profile, here you will see and go on statistics, and when I go here on find all threads, find all posts, and let me just click here, give it a second, and when I click here, and here you can see these are my signatures. They are all clickable links. So when someone click on one of these links, and if they buy this product, I will earn money. Now here you can see people can actually thank you. When you leave a useful comment, when you solve people problems, they will thank you. On Warrior Forum, you have that option. So people, your post, your thread will go up, continuously up on that thread, and you will start getting more and more views. So when I go back here, and when I go on statistics, here you can see I have total 237 posts on these forums, and I got more than 20,000 visits from Warrior Forum on my links, as you can see here on my signature, and I made good money. You need to find as many forums in your niche as you can and simply add a link to your ebook on Gumroad in the signature. And all you have to do after that, just start providing value. People will see your signature, and some of those people will click on that link in your signature, and some of those people will buy that ebook, okay? Trust me, guys, this works. I tested this, and it works, okay? You just need to invest some time and some work, and it works. But I also prepared a 30-day challenge for you in the description so you can start applying this tactic. I noticed that many people don't even apply any of these tactics, and they complain it doesn't work. So I prepared a 30-day challenge for you so you can start applying this tactic. I cannot guarantee that you will start making sales in first 30 days, but you can see how this works. This will be a good starting point for you to make your first $50 online by using Claude AI.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.